The Blizwheel E-Scooter redefines micromobility with its futuristic folding design and lightweight portability. Built for urban commuters, it delivers a perfect balance between speed, convenience, and efficiency. Its compact frame folds in seconds, making it ideal for city dwellers who need a last-mile solution. Despite its small size, the Blizwheel packs powerful motors, high-capacity batteries, and intelligent braking systems to ensure smooth and safe rides. With an emphasis on sustainability, it provides an eco-friendly alternative to cars and public transport. Sleek, agile, and practical, the Blizwheel E-Scooter stands out as a stylish mobility solution for the modern city lifestyle. The Car Luxe is a unique blend of fitness, fun, and transportation. Unlike conventional vehicles, it is powered by the rider's pumping motion, creating a low-impact cardio workout while moving forward. This innovative vehicle combines recreation and practicality, offering a sustainable way to travel short distances while promoting health and exercise. Designed with ergonomic seating, durable materials, and stylish aesthetics, the Luxe Edition elevates the experience with enhanced comfort and premium finishes. It's not just a ride, it's an active lifestyle statement that merges wellness with mobility. The Yingang Citycoco is a bold electric scooter that brings motorcycle-like presence to eco-friendly mobility. Featuring oversized tires, a sturdy frame, and a wide stance, it offers stability and style in every ride. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the Citycoco provides impressive torque for urban commuting or leisurely cruising. Its retro-modern design, comfortable seat, and customizable accessories make it both practical and fashionable. With zero emissions and low maintenance, it appeals to eco-conscious riders seeking freedom without compromise. Yingang Citycoco is more than a scooter. It's a lifestyle vehicle for those who want performance, comfort, and sustainability in one package. The Skick electric utility scooter is designed with practicality at its core, combining the agility of a scooter with the utility of a cargo vehicle. Its large storage platform makes it perfect for deliveries, errands, or transporting gear across urban landscapes. Equipped with a robust electric motor and long-range battery, it offers reliable performance while reducing environmental impact. The Skick's sturdy frame and intuitive controls ensure safety and ease of use, even when carrying heavy loads. By blending mobility and functionality, the Skick sets a new benchmark for electric utility scooters, catering to professionals and everyday users alike. The Cybershare Thunders is an all-terrain electric bike engineered for riders who demand power, durability, and adventure. With fat tires, a full suspension frame, and a high-performance motor, it conquers rugged trails, steep hills, and urban streets with equal confidence. Its battery system delivers long-distance capability, while advanced hydraulic brakes ensure precision control. Designed with aggressive styling and cutting-edge components, the Thunders appeals to thrill-seekers who want both adrenaline and reliability. Whether for off-road exploration or daily commuting, the Cybershare Thunders stands as a versatile machine built to dominate any terrain. The SKWHEE-1 introduces a revolutionary take on skiing without snow. This electric off-road vehicle mimics the feeling of carving down slopes using advanced wheelbase technology. Its independent suspension and powerful motors deliver dynamic movement, allowing riders to glide across grass, dirt, or urban surfaces with a ski-like sensation. Built for adventurers and sports enthusiasts, the SKWHEEL1 combines innovation with excitement, making outdoor exploration possible year-round. With sleek design, portability, and eco-friendly power, it transforms traditional sports into futuristic mobility experiences. The GoBoat 2 is a portable, inflatable watercraft designed to make boating accessible to everyone. Lightweight yet durable, it can be packed into a compact bag and inflated in minutes, transforming into a stable circular boat. Perfect for fishing, exploring, or leisurely cruising, it's powered by a quiet electric motor, making it eco-friendly and easy to operate. Its innovative design allows for quick setup and transport, eliminating the need for trailers or docks. With its stability and simplicity, the GoBoat 2 invites outdoor enthusiasts to enjoy the water anytime, anywhere, without the complications of traditional boating. The GoSun LCAT is a futuristic electric camper van built around sustainability and versatility. Compact yet multifunctional, it integrates solar power technology to extend range and support off-grid living. Designed for eco-conscious travelers, the LCAT includes modular interiors that adapt to different needs, from cooking to sleeping. Its lightweight build and efficient motor make it suitable for both city driving and outdoor adventures. By blending electric mobility with solar innovation, GoSun creates a vehicle that minimizes environmental impact while maximizing freedom. The LCAT stands out as a mobile solution for those seeking sustainable exploration without sacrificing comfort. The Caterham 170R is a lightweight sports car that embodies the essence of pure driving. As one of Caterham's smallest and most agile creations, it delivers thrilling performance with minimal weight and maximum handling. Its retro-inspired design meets modern engineering, offering a no-frills driving experience focused on speed, control, and exhilaration. Powered by a compact yet responsive engine, the 170R excels on winding roads and racetracks, giving drivers a direct connection to the machine and the road. Stripped of excess, it's a true driver's car, pure, raw, and crafted for enthusiasts who crave authenticity over luxury. The Triton 660 AVA is an advanced personal submarine designed for underwater exploration. Built with luxury and safety in mind, it can dive to 200 meters while providing panoramic views through its acrylic pressure hull. With seating for multiple passengers, it merges cutting-edge engineering with comfort, making deep-sea exploration more accessible than ever. Its intuitive controls, life support systems, and stability create an effortless experience for both pilots and passengers. The Triton 660 AVA opens the underwater world to researchers, adventurers, and luxury travelers, redefining how humans interact with the ocean's depths. The Squad Mobility Solar City car is a compact, fully electric vehicle designed for urban commuting. Its standout feature is integrated solar panels that recharge the battery, reducing reliance on external charging. Small, lightweight, and easy to maneuver, it offers an efficient solution for congested cities. With seating for two and space for essentials, it combines practicality with sustainability. The Squad is built to be affordable, eco-friendly, and accessible, making electric driving attainable for a wider audience. It represents a new category of mobility, bridging the gap between scooters and cars, perfect for short trips and everyday city life. The Naxion IM is an innovative electric motorcycle concept focused on futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. With sleek aerodynamic lines and advanced materials, it captures attention both visually and mechanically. Its powerful electric drivetrain delivers strong acceleration while maintaining zero emissions, aligning performance with sustainability. The IAM also integrates smart connectivity, enabling riders to monitor performance, navigation, and diagnostics in real time. Built for urban streets and modern riders, it merges style, efficiency, and innovation into a bold statement of the future of motorcycling. The Naxion IM isn't just a motorcycle, it's a glimpse into tomorrow's mobility. The Doroni H1 eVTOL is a groundbreaking personal air vehicle designed to bring urban air mobility into reality. Compact and efficient, it is engineered for short-distance travel, eliminating traffic congestion by taking to the skies. With vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, it requires minimal infrastructure and can operate from driveways or rooftops. Powered by a fully electric system, the H1 produces zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional commuting. Safety is prioritized through redundant propulsion systems and advanced flight controls. Designed for everyday use, the Doroni H1 represents a bold step toward democratizing personal air transport. The Polaris Indy VR1 is a high-performance snowmobile crafted for speed, precision, and adrenaline. Equipped with a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and lightweight chassis, It delivers thrilling acceleration and superior handling on snow-covered terrains. Riders benefit from cutting-edge technologies such as smart warm heated seats, intuitive displays, and customizable ride modes. Built to conquer trails and deep snow alike, the Indy VR1 combines comfort with performance, ensuring long rides remain enjoyable and controlled. For enthusiasts seeking winter adventures, it stands as the ultimate machine blending modern engineering with the raw excitement of snowmobiling. The Gogoro Pulse is a futuristic electric scooter that redefines urban mobility. Its sleek aerodynamic design is paired with Gogoro's innovative swappable battery technology, enabling riders to quickly exchange batteries at stations rather than wait for charging. Featuring a powerful electric motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and impressive range. Advanced connectivity integrates real-time navigation, diagnostics, and security, giving riders full control via their smartphones. With its eco-friendly approach and stylish build, the Pulse is more than transportation. It's a lifestyle solution for sustainable, smart city living. Gogoro continues to set benchmarks in electric mobility with the Pulse. The Boomer Buggy X Pro is an advanced mobility scooter designed for both comfort and independence. Unlike traditional mobility aids, it integrates modern styling with robust performance. Featuring a powerful electric drive, it can handle varied terrains while maintaining stability and safety. The ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and long battery life ensure reliable travel for users seeking freedom in daily life. Compact yet versatile, it's ideal for urban streets, parks, and neighborhoods. The Boomer Buggy X Pro represents innovation in personal mobility, blending functionality and dignity into a solution tailored to active lifestyles and accessibility needs. The BeTriton e-trailer is a one-of-a-kind hybrid that combines a camper, boat, and e-bike into a single versatile vehicle. Designed for adventure seekers, it offers seamless transitions between land and water travel. Powered by a fully electric drivetrain, its compact trailer unfolds into a cozy cabin with sleeping space, while its amphibious capability lets travelers cross lakes and rivers effortlessly. Eco-friendly and highly innovative, the BeTriton is built for those who want ultimate freedom and sustainability in exploration. It embodies the future of multimodal travel, compact, functional, and ready for limitless journeys. The Splash Transformer is an electric scooter built with adaptability in mind. Featuring adjustable suspension, modular components, and powerful performance, it is engineered for riders who demand versatility. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rough terrain, the Transformer adapts with ease. Its strong motor provides rapid acceleration, while long-range batteries ensure extended rides. Safety is enhanced with advanced braking systems and bright LED lighting. Stylish and rugged, it merges portability with strength, making it perfect for commuting and adventure alike. The Splash Transformer embodies the next generation of e-scooters, flexible, reliable, and exhilarating to ride. The 5TH Wheel Knight is a revolutionary compact e-commuter designed to merge the agility of a scooter with the practicality of a bicycle. Its unique design integrates a lightweight frame, foldable features, and an advanced electric drive system that ensures effortless travel across urban environments. Equipped with precision engineering, it delivers smooth handling and strong stability, while its minimalist style emphasizes modern functionality. With extended battery range and smart connectivity, riders can monitor performance and navigation through mobile integration. The 5TH Wheel Knight is more than transportation. It's an innovative statement for efficient, eco-friendly city travel. The HPC Trailblazer Pro is an electric mountain bike engineered for extreme performance and rugged terrain. Designed with aerospace-grade components, it combines durability with raw power, delivering high torque for steep climbs and incredible speed on descents. Its advanced suspension system absorbs shocks, ensuring control and comfort even in the toughest environments. With a long-lasting battery and rapid charging, riders can push boundaries without compromise. Built for adventurers, the Trailblazer Pro bridges the gap between cycling and motorized off-road exploration. It redefines what an EMTB can achieve, offering freedom, speed, and endurance in one powerful machine. The Yingang Citycoco is a premium electric skateboard tailored for enthusiasts who demand both speed and precision. Crafted with high-quality materials, it delivers stability at high velocities while maintaining responsive control for carving and urban commuting. Its dual-motor system offers powerful acceleration, while swappable battery options extend range for long rides. With regenerative braking and an intuitive wireless controller, safety and performance are seamlessly integrated. The Velar's sleek design and cutting-edge engineering position it as a top-tier choice in the world of electric skateboards, making it a favorite for both commuters and thrill-seekers. The Yingang Citycoco 701 is a bold, retro-inspired electric scooter built for modern urban commuting. Its wide tires, low-slung frame, and minimalist styling give it a distinctive road presence, while its electric drivetrain ensures smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly rides. Designed for both comfort and practicality, it offers a spacious seat, sturdy build, and strong suspension for city streets and short-distance travel. With a powerful battery system, it provides reliable range and performance without sacrificing style. The Citycoco 701 blends nostalgia with innovation, delivering a sustainable mobility option that is as eye-catching as it is functional. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.